What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to land on the correct Samsung website live chat page so that you won't go to the wrong page. So first let's browse samsung.com. Okay, so you browse it and then you should make sure that you're on your correct web page. So what I mean by that is the UAE. So if you're living in the UAE, it should show UAE like this. Okay, so after that you should go to support, click on live chat, then this will take you to a page. So guys, the website has been it came now. So now what I meant in the starting of the video is that it should show that you're connected to the Samsung live chat supporting to your region. So I live in UAE, so I'm good to go. Okay, so if you need to check for, if you're not in UAE or somewhere, some other place, to check the global support sites, you can click on this site and it will take you to a page. Then you can choose your particular location like this. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you tomorrow.